What's up guys, Jeeper Gary here. We're going to be installing Metalcloak Overline Fenders today on Irene. We're going to have to start out by disassembling fenders, which is going to take probably majority of my time. Got a grinder, so I'm going to have to cut this off. I'm going to draw a line and etch out a little L shape right here. Oh, I want you to meet our stray that just showed up. Sweetest little thing ever. Also, I'd like to thank Metalcloak for allowing me to purchase their product off their website. If it wasn't for them, I wouldn't be able to purchase their product off their website and make a video for you. Alright, so first things first is the slow and tedious process of removing everything from the fender. And hopefully I can get everything off of here. And remember where it goes. I need one of those tools that removes those plastic clips. I never got one, so we're just gonna have to break everything off, which is fine. I don't care. I can already tell I'm gonna need an extension and I don't have one. Alright, I got everything unhooked from the driver's side fender. Now I'm gonna zip tie everything up to this bar here, so when I remove the fender, everything will be stationary in place. Again, this is not a tutorial because I've never done this before. All this is just me thinking. Learn together. It's always been my motto. And maybe we can bounce ideas off each other or something like that. So everything is zip tied and ready to go. I'm going to start removing those screws there and there. She's comfortable. So I had to go find an elbow and a long extension because these bolts down here. And I also got a beer because beer. The fender is off completely. Now I gotta grind that off without messing it up somehow. I'm wearing PPE by the way. I'm taking a break from grinding and my batteries are charging. I'm going to start assembling the passenger set. Already got the air box removed. I'm going to take the opportunity to clean my throttle body since I removed the air box. I'm disconnecting the battery and I'm removing the fuse box. Disconnect my winch. Battery removed. Now for the fuse box. Plastic snaps are breaking. That's all done. Let's start removing the fender. Alright, so both passenger and driver's side fenders are removed. Now I'm trying my best to cut this off. This triangle here. This shit is strong metal. Had to go to Home Depot to buy a new battery. It's charging now. Hey Poochie. Oh. You like hanging out and working on the Jeep? Everybody, that's all I got for today. So today, I got all my cuts out I needed, painted on both sides. Tomorrow, I will be putting all this stuff back together. Look how thick these pieces were. It took forever. Got my fenders all staged for tomorrow. Got my blinkers put in. I'm going to be cleaning, after I put everything back together, I'm going to be cleaning my throttle body here. See how gunky it is? It's sticking open when I decelerate, causing my RPMs to do weird things. So I'm going to clean that. And my air box, and my filter. Here's the old fenders here. Probably sell those on eBay. The inner fender well is staged over here. Tomorrow shouldn't be that long. I can probably get everything done pretty quickly. See you tomorrow. Hey everybody, I'm in the middle of editing this video. In an effort to keep it short, I'm gonna make this video 2 parts. Because if I did the whole install, it would be like a 20-minute video. See you on part 2. Come back now.